Want to analyze your Amazon store's performance and uncover growth opportunities? In this quick JungleScout guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this powerful tool to measure and optimize your Amazon sales so you can take your business to the next level. JungleScout is one of the best Amazon seller tools on the market, offering a suite of features that help you track your store's performance, understand market trends, and ultimately drive more revenue. Whether you're a new seller or experienced, this guide will walk you through the process of analyzing your Amazon store's performance with JungleScout and why it should be part of your toolkit. To get started, first, let's talk about the Praise Sales Analytics tool. In JungleScout, this tool will give you an in-depth view of your sales performance over time. You'll be able to break down your sales by day, week, or month, and even compare it against previous periods. This helps you identify trends in your business and determine whether your sales are growing, flat, or declining. What's great about this feature is that it doesn't just show you raw sales data, it breaks it down into revenue, costs, and profit margins, helping you see the full picture of your business's financial health. Next, let's dive into Keyword Scout. This tool allows you to discover high-converting keywords for your product listings. You can enter a keyword and see how competitive it is, how much search volume it gets, and even estimate how much traffic you could drive to your listings by ranking for that keyword. This is crucial because keywords drive traffic, and understanding which keywords are performing well gives you an edge in optimizing your listings to attract more buyers. JungleScout's Keyword Scout even lets you spy on your competitors, helping you find keywords they're ranking for that you might not have considered. Now let's move on to competitor tracking. JungleScout allows you to track your competitors' products and monitor their sales performance. By tracking their pricing, reviews, and sales rank, you can adjust your strategy to stay competitive in your niche. This is key when you're trying to scale your business. Being aware of your competition and adjusting your approach can help you grab more market share and improve your own listings. Another really powerful feature in JungleScout is the Product Tracker. This tool allows you to track individual products over time, providing insights into their sales, reviews, and inventory levels. By tracking a product, you'll see how well it's performing in real time, and it can give you a good indication of market demand, trends, and seasonality. This is invaluable for making data-driven decisions when it comes to restocking or even deciding which products to focus on. Finally, if you want a big picture overview, JungleScout's Business Dashboard gives you a comprehensive summary of your store's health. It combines all the tools and data you've gathered, offering you insights into your overall profit, sales, costs, and more. This dashboard is perfect for making high-level business decisions because it pulls together all of your performance metrics into one easy-to-read interface. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can get access to JungleScout completely free with an exclusive extended trial from the link in the description below. You'll also get some special bonuses, so don't miss out on this chance to boost your Amazon store performance with JungleScout. Remember, using JungleScout to analyze your Amazon store's performance isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding your business's strengths and weaknesses and making data-driven decisions that will lead to growth. With these tools, you'll have everything you need to scale your business and stay ahead of the competition. So, be sure to take advantage of the free trial with the link below and start seeing results today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.